This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search Xiaomi Easy Guide. Open the Circle app and grant permissions, then tap Search at the bottom to begin. Choose Xiaomi from device types and use filters for model or location to narrow results. Tap a device to view details, use the live preview, and save searches for quick access later to speed up future lookups. Start broad by searching brand or room, then refine with model numbers and tags for precise Xiaomi results in Circle. Use quotation marks for exact phrases and try alternate spellings to catch variations. Adjust online and distance filters to cut clutter and sort by signal strength or last seen for relevance. Practice these steps a few times to build confidence and make searches feel natural and fast. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during long setup sessions and device hunts. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one or compare styles. Your support helps me make clearer tutorials and more tips. Enjoy the tip. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If searches return no results, restart the app and confirm device power and network before troubleshooting further. Check permissions, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and ensure Circle has location access to discover Xiaomi devices. Update firmware on Xiaomi devices and the Circle app to fix incompatibilities, and clear the app cache if issues persist. Try another account or device if needed, and keep a note of error messages to help resolve stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.